Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will discuss lesson number 8 of Living English, that is, our new friends. The topics that will be touched are the explanation part, back exercise, words to learn, and word meaning. So, let's start reading. Firstly, an activity is given to you on page number 85. Here, a crossword puzzle is given to you. You have to find and circle 6 names of animals over here. One is already done as an example, that is peacock. Alright, let's move ahead and read. One Sunday, Karan was having breakfast with Mummy, Sana, Dada and Dadi. So, there's a boy in the story named Karan who is having breakfast with his family members, that is, with his mother, sister, grandfather, and grandmother. Papa was making cutlets in the kitchen. Karan had some milk, fruit, and 2 cutlets. He was in a hurry to go to the park to play with his friends. So for breakfast, Karan's father was making cutlets. In breakfast, Karan had milk, fruit, and just 2 cutlets because he was in a hurry to go to the park for playing with his friends. Okay? Karan went to his friend Karim's house. Let's go to the park, he said. As Karan and Karim were leaving, they saw something on the steps. It is a pigeon, said Karan. The pigeon was hurt. It could not even move. Karan and Karim wanted to help the pigeon. So to play, Karan went to his friend's house, that is Karim. They decided to go to the park. As they were going, they saw an injured pigeon on the steps of stairs. They really wanted to help the pigeon out of its injury. Alright, now let's move ahead. Karim's Abba and Ammi were not at home. Karan rushed to call his parents. Karim waited near the pigeon to keep his cat away. Well, the parents of Karim, the friend of Karan, are not at home. That's why Karan called his parents, and at that time Karim was taking care of the pigeon by keeping his cat away from the pigeon. Alright? Then soon Karan came with his papa and mummy. Should we take it to Dr. Lakra? Asked Karan. Not to our doctor, Karan. Well, we'll take it to the bird hospital, Papa said. Alright, now Karan's parents have arrived and Karan asked them to take the pigeon to a doctor named Mr. Lakra, who treats humans. But on this, his father replied, we will take him to the bird hospital who treats birds rather than to the doctor who treats humans. Alright, moving on. Mummy told the children about the bird hospital near the Red Fort. Hundreds of birds are treated there every day. People say it is the best bird hospital in Asia. Papa and the boys took the pigeon to the hospital. The doctor washed the pigeon's wounds and bandaged it. Now Karan's mother told the boys about the best bird hospital of Asia near the Red Fort, where hundreds of birds get treatment every day. Then Karan's father, along with the children, took the pigeon over there and the doctor treated the pigeon's wounds. Moving on. After a few days, the children brought the pigeon home. Karan and Karim took turns to look after it. They would feed it every day. Soon it was able to fly. So after the treatment, the pigeon was brought home and both the kids fixed their turns to take care of the pigeon until it became absolutely healthy. They used to feed it every day and it was able to fly soon with proper care. Alright? Then the pigeon became their friend. They named it Dost. After a few days, Karan and Karim took Dost to the park. It flew away and sat on a branch. Sometimes Dost comes to meet Karan and Karim. He even brings his other bird friends to meet them. Now that pigeon has become Karan and Karim's friend and they named it as Dost. Alright? They took the pigeon to a park and it flew away and sat on a branch of a tree, as you can see in the picture. Sometimes he used to come to meet both the kids along with his other bird friends. Okay, moving on. Karan and Karim have placed bird feed and a bowl of water on their balconies. Many birds visit them. Karan and Karim love the birds and the birds love them. Now, both the kids done a very good act by keeping food and water for the birds in their balconies. On seeing the bird, many birds used to come to their home. Birds love them a lot and they love them too. Alright? So the lesson that we get from this story is that we should help the needful. We are gifted enough that we have all the facilities and services and we can treat and fulfill our needs ourselves. But animals are helpless. They are totally dependent on us. So we should help them in every way we can. Okay? Now let's continue with the back exercise. So in part A, you have to fill the blanks with the correct words to complete the sentence. First one is Papa was making dash cutlets or fruit chaat. The correct one is cutlets. Papa was making cutlets. Next is Karan was in a hurry to play with his friends. Okay. Then as Karan and Karim were leaving, they saw a pigeon on the steps. Fine. Karan waited near the pigeon to keep away his cat. Alright, then in part B, you have to tick the correct word from the bracket. First one is Karan and Karim played with their friends, not with their family. Then Karan and Karim were going to the park, not to the market. The bird hospital was near the Red Fort, not far from the Red Fort. Okay? Then Karan and Karim took turns to look after the pigeon. The last one is Karan and Karim loved the birds. Fine? Now, moving on to the next page, that is in part E, a few words are given to you on the word wall. It's like feed, seed, deed, tweet, R, sour, flour, brought, bought, fought, thought. Okay, all these words you have to find in the word search given below. Circle the words ending with double E with blue color, words ending with OUGHT with red color, and words ending with OU in green color. Alright. After that, in part F, you have to change the first letter of all the words, and by adding some other letter of your choice that makes some sense, you have to make a new word. Alright. Like the first one is solved. Bro. Here, if you change the letter B to C, it will become crow. It's a new word, right? Peer. If we change letter P to B, it will become beer. That's an animal. Similarly, mat will become cat. You can also make it as hat. Alright? Log, dog. House, mouse. Half, calf. Luck, duck. Box, fox. Alright, now just have a look at your homework. These are the words to learn of this lesson. The first one is cutlets, then hurry, leaving, steps, pigeon, hospital, bandaged, brought, bowl, balconies. It is not bowl, it is bowl. Okay, and the last one is balconies. Alright, now the next topic is word meaning. First one is hurt. Hurt means to damage. Alright, then wound. It means to hurt from cut. The last one is treat. It is medical care or cure. Well, this is all about this session. I hope you enjoyed the story and understood it. Thanks for watching.